Hey guys, so today you are to write your second body paragraph in your opinion writing. So today's Thursday, day 4. Monday you should have read and annotated and done your planning. Tuesday you should have written your introduction using the video that I created and have attached right here. Yesterday, Wednesday, you should have written your first body paragraph, and I had posted Miss Watts's video that she had made for that. I'm actually going to go to it really quick so I can show you where it is at and so that you can access that. I put it, since it was for Wednesday, since it was work on Wednesday, I had put it in Wednesday's helpful videos, and it is right here. And what I'm going to do really quick is I'm going to post it to the
Hey guys, thanks for joining me today.
I'm going to post it to where I just had pulled up all of the writing. So let me scroll down to that. Give me 1 second. There we go. I'm going to add it to our assignment for On Trampoline Park so that it is also where all your writing is. So what I want to go over today is how to write your second body paragraph. This shouldn't take too long, and it honestly should be fairly simple because it is very similar to how you wrote your first body paragraph. It's added. So what I did is I have my writing pulled up right here. And this is the same hook and introduction that I did the other day that I showed you. I wrote my own first body paragraph here. It is just my own ideas, but it's very similar to the format Miss Watts taught you yesterday on how to write it. So what I want to focus on today is your second body paragraph. The first thing you need to have in a body paragraph is stating your reason, since we're talking about opinion writing. So I stated my second reason. In my first reason, I put my first reason, why. My second reason, I used the word another reason why I think trampoline parks are beneficial is because they contain many different options of fun in one place. So I stated my second reason, which can also be found right here. It's another option to choose from when you have free time, something different. I also included it in the introduction. Anyway, that's your first sentence for your second body paragraph, is stating that second reason, okay? Then you want to provide text evidence from a passage that supports that reason. So I went through and I read Dare to Share and the Effects of Jumping, and I read both of them. As you can see, I included a quote in my body paragraph 1 from the effects of jumping. So what I wanted to do for the second body paragraph is include a quote from the other text called Dare to Share. So I pulled up Dare to Share and I looked around to see where does it talk about having lots of options in one place so that it supports my reason. And I found this right here, how it says most trampoline parks have other fun activities like obstacle courses and huge foam cube pits. So I included that quote where it says, for example, in Dare to Share, it shares, or I could change that word because I didn't realize it went with the text. It says how many trampoline parks have obstacle courses and huge foam pits. So I copied that from, foam cube pits. So see, I can even correct myself. Cube, foam pits. Then I had to explain my text evidence. So I said, trampoline parks are like a one-stop shop. I'm explaining what I used here with my quote that I highlighted in blue. I put, if you and a sibling or friend are trying to decide on what to do, the trampoline park is a great place because it has many different options for all kids to choose from. So in the purple that I highlighted, I explained that piece of evidence and what it shows me and how it supports my example here, or my reason. So that's what you need to do today. State your second reason, find text evidence that supports that second reason, and then you need to explain in about 2 sentences, not just one. I would prefer you to do 2 like I did here. 1, 2, explain in 2 sentences how that quote supports your reason that you have in yellow. Okay? I hope you guys have a great day, and message me on this post if you guys have any questions. So message me on the trampoline parks. And if you need any help, just let me know. Bye.